close your eyes. And freshen up. What a wet surprise! We have even more pranks and life hacks on our brand new channel, woohoo! Subscribe to enjoy awesome tricks and cool ideas. Follow the link in the description. We are having a photo shoot on a unicorn! Hashtag #MySummerLife. Oops! Your unicorn hit an iceberg! Now I'm the star of the photos! Here's a tutorial on how to jump into a pool through a swim ring, like a fish or a frog. Or like a whale. I should have brought a bigger swim ring. The blue-eyed girl is the queen of the pool. She can even turn a regular beach towel into a stylish accessory. Fold an old towel in half. Hot glue 2 sides. Cut a small towel in half. Hot glue 2 handles. Turn them right side out. Attach the handles to the bag and turn the bag right side out. Ew! There's water everywhere! Thank goodness I can wipe it off with my new beach bag. While my friend is sleeping near the pool, we can give him some new tattoos. Don't worry, they are temporary. These cute temporary tattoos make Ben's wide back look manlier. You are the king of this pool, handsome! I feel like I will be folding this mattress for a year. The air won't come out. Hurry up! Nothing is working! Except a binder clip. Pin the hole on an air mattress with a binder clip. Press the mattress down with your body and wait for the air to come out. Easy as pie. Oh no! Anything but this! My favorite swim ring got destroyed! Flamingo, I'll save you! Wrap a torn swim ring in parchment paper and seal it with a heated flat iron. I fixed it! Now nothing can ruin my pool time! We deliver Coca-Cola right to the middle of the pool. Using our cup stand. Cut a pool noodle in half. Hot glue the pieces together. Place the cup in the center and trace it. Cut out a hole with a utility knife and put the cup in. Swim to me, my sweet soda! You won't drown! I challenge you to a duel! Defend yourself! Let's play a fun game! Cut a rectangular hole in a plastic bottle. Cover the edges with tape. Wrap a cotton cord around the bottle. Tie 2 more pieces of rope to it. Make 1 more bottle the same way. I tied a bottle to my head, And your task is to fill it with water using a water gun. I have my own rules. I fire point blank. Oops! I missed the target. This is my wet revenge. I need a new summer profile pic. This is way too boring. I know a creative photo hack. Drink Coca-Cola out of a glass. Place your phone into the glass so the camera is at the bottom. Now put the glass into the water. Be careful not to get the phone wet. The blue-eyed girl is striking poses underwater. And I'm taking awesome pics with my underwater camera. Our photo shoot turned out great, and the photographer didn't even get wet. Oh, I like this guy. How should I get his attention? I know! Ah! Help! I'm drowning! Ugh, not again. Here, take a life vest, you poor thing. Cut pool noodles into identical parts. Wrap the ends with insulating tape. And join the pool noodles into a row. Shape a flat surface. Make holes in the ends using a wooden skewer. And pass a wide elastic ribbon through them. Tie 2 pieces together. Well, that's very romantic. Thank you for saving my life. Are you hungry after swimming? I have an idea for how to deliver food to you. Put food into your Crocs and let it swim. A snack on the water is a wonderful idea. Is my friend asleep? Perfect! I can do a sunscreen prank. Pour out the remains of sunscreen. Clean the bottle with detergent. And pour in mayonnaise. Do you have sunscreen? Yeah, sure. Ew, is that mayonnaise? Don't get burnt, Ben. First one to get to the end of the pool will be the king of summer. Ready, set, row! Heat a utility knife over a candle. Cut a big plastic water bottle in half. Cut the neck off 1/2. Apply glue to one part of the bottle and put on the other half. Tightly fasten the parts together. Hot glue a body bar to the neck. Add more hot glue on top. Cut the neck off another bottle and glue it the same way. Make a round hole on top. Put an exercise stick into it. Poke 4 holes in the stick lengthwise. Pass a wire through the holes and fasten the stick. Clamp the ends of the wire with pliers. Coat the oars with spray paint. This race is fast and furious. Yes! We have a winner! Oh no! The Summer King is injured. Now we have a new Summer Queen. Did you like our pool pranks and life hacks? Let us know in the comments how you and your friends will have fun at the pool. Will you have drinks without getting out, arrange an oar race, or dive and take selfies underwater? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new summer ideas from Troom.